Have you ever wondered why some people finish braces, smile confidently for a few months, and then suddenly their teeth start shifting again? Today we're opening a little secret box that most people never hear about until it's too late. It's called the permanent retainer, and trust me, Dr. Esma, the name alone sounds like something that quietly sits in your mouth forever while nobody explains the real story behind it. Some people love it, some people panic when they hear the word permanent, and others don't even realize it's there. So here's the question that's going to guide today's episode. Is a permanent retainer the invisible hero that protects your straight smile, or is it a tiny wire hiding some surprises dentists don't always mention right away?
Azim, that's actually a fantastic question because many patients believe the moment braces come off, the job is finished. But teeth have memory. They gently try to drift back to where they started. That's exactly where a permanent retainer enters the story. It's a thin wire bonded behind the teeth, designed to quietly hold everything in place while you go about your life. But here's the part people rarely hear in advance. Caring for it properly, understanding how it works, and knowing its hidden benefits can make the difference between a stable smile and years of frustration.
So what you're saying, Dr. Esma, is that this tiny wire might actually be the silent bodyguard of your smile. But if it's so helpful, why do some people struggle with it? And what are the little things dentists sometimes forget to explain before placing it? Because I've heard stories from people who didn't even notice it was there to others who suddenly realized flossing had turned into a complicated mission. Today we're going to unpack all of that step by step. Let's picture a moment many people recognize. Braces finally come off. The mirror moment happens. Big smile, photos, celebration. A few months later, life gets busy. Someone skips a dental visit, forgets about that little wire behind the teeth. So then suddenly one day, they notice the teeth feel slightly different, maybe tighter, maybe one tooth feels like it's pushing a little. That's when the panic question appears. Wait, weren't my teeth already fixed? Dr. Esma, this is where people start realizing the story didn't end when the braces disappeared. The permanent retainer quietly keeps working in the background, but if someone doesn't understand how it behaves day to day, that tiny wire can turn into a big mystery.
Exactly, Rasim. The challenge is that permanent retainers are invisible to most people, so they stop thinking about them. But everyday habits still matter. Imagine eating crunchy foods, brushing quickly before rushing to work, or trying to floss around a bonded wire for the first time. Some patients suddenly realize their cleaning routine needs a small upgrade. Others might not notice a tiny bond loosening behind a tooth. None of this means the retainer is bad. It simply means it requires awareness.
So the real issue isn't the wire itself. It's that people treat it like background furniture in the mouth. They forget it's part of the smile system, and that's exactly where the surprises start showing up. You know what fascinates me, Dr. Esma? Most people think the big dental journey ends when the braces come off. They imagine the teeth are now permanently trained like soldiers standing in a straight line forever. But the reality sounds more like a group of travelers who quietly try to drift back home. And that's exactly where the permanent retainer becomes important. Without it, someone might wake up a year later and notice a tiny overlap starting again. Maybe a front tooth slightly turning. It's subtle at first, but those tiny movements can slowly undo months or years of orthodontic work.
That's exactly right, Rasim. Teeth are held in place by tiny fibers in the bone and gums, and those fibers remember their original position. After orthodontic treatment, they slowly adapt, but that adaptation can take years. The permanent retainer acts like a quiet stabilizer during that time. Think of it as a safety lock that keeps the front teeth from drifting. I've seen patients who ignored retainers and noticed changes within months, and others who maintained them properly and kept beautiful alignment for many years.
So the permanent retainer is basically the quiet guardian of the smile. It's not flashy, it's not visible, but without it the story of straight teeth might slowly rewind. Dr. Esma, here is something many viewers might not realize. Orthodontists spend years perfecting the movement of teeth, but the moment braces come off is actually the beginning of the stabilization phase. That sounds almost backwards, right? People celebrate the end of treatment, but biologically, the teeth are still adapting. I once heard patients say, my braces are gone, I'm finally free, and 6 months later, they noticed one front tooth slowly twisting again. That tiny movement surprised them because everything had looked perfect at the start.
And that scenario is more common than people think, Rasim. Orthodontic research has shown that without proper retention, many patients experience some degree of tooth movement after treatment. I remember one young patient who finished braces beautifully. Everything looked textbook perfect, but a year later, she returned with a small shift in the lower front teeth because she had stopped paying attention to the retainer wire. The good news is that small changes can often be corrected quickly, especially when caught early.
So the lesson here is simple but powerful. Straight teeth are not just created, they are maintained. And that little permanent retainer quietly plays a huge role in protecting the results people worked so hard to achieve. Dr. Esma, I'm curious about the science behind this. People hear the word permanent and imagine some magical dental glue that freezes teeth forever. But teeth are living structures, right? They sit in bone, surrounded by tiny fibers and ligaments that respond to pressure, chewing, and even aging. So when someone finishes orthodontic treatment, what exactly is happening biologically that makes a permanent retainer so important? Because from the outside, it just looks like a thin wire quietly hiding behind the teeth. But from what you're saying, it's actually interacting with the whole system inside the mouth.
Exactly, Rasim. From a biological perspective, teeth are never completely fixed in place. They are supported by the periodontal ligament, which is a network of microscopic fibers connecting the tooth root to the surrounding bone. During orthodontic treatment, those fibers stretch and reorganize as teeth move. But once braces come off, the fibers naturally try to pull the teeth back toward their original positions. That process is called relapse. A permanent retainer acts like a stabilizing bar, gently holding the teeth in their corrected alignment, while the surrounding bone and fibers gradually remodel and adapt.
So in a way, the permanent retainer is not forcing the teeth forever. It's buying time for biology to catch up with the new alignment. That makes the whole concept feel much smarter than people usually imagine. Alright, Dr. Esma, let's make this practical. Imagine someone just got their braces removed, and the orthodontist places a permanent retainer. The big question becomes, what should they actually do next to keep everything working properly? Because most people walk out of the clinic smiling, but with zero idea about daily care. If we had to explain it like a simple routine, what are the key steps someone should follow so the tiny wire keeps protecting their smile instead of becoming a hidden problem?
Great question, Rasim. The routine is actually very manageable if people know the steps. First, brushing carefully around the retainer wire is essential because plaque can collect near the bonding points. Second, flossing with a floss threader helps clean between the teeth under the wire where a normal floss motion cannot reach. Third, regular dental checkups allow the dentist to confirm the wire is still securely bonded. And finally, paying attention to unusual sensations like a loose wire or pressure on a tooth helps catch small issues early.
So the secret isn't complicated at all. It's awareness, a slightly smarter cleaning routine, and letting professionals check that the wire continues doing its quiet job. Dr. Esma, let's talk about the little mistakes people don't realize they're making. Because I imagine most viewers are thinking, okay, I have a permanent retainer, I brush my teeth, everything should be fine. But there must be some classic do not do this moments that dentists see all the time. Are we talking about biting into very hard foods, ignoring a tiny loose feeling in the wire, or maybe forgetting that cleaning behind those teeth requires a bit more attention? I feel like this is where the small habits quietly decide whether the retainer becomes a long-term helper or a surprise problem.
You're absolutely right, Razim. The most important caution is to avoid putting excessive pressure on the front teeth where the retainer is bonded. Biting very hard foods directly with those teeth can stress the bonding points. Another key point is awareness. If someone feels the wire loosen, catches it with floss, or notices unusual pressure on a tooth, that is a signal to have it checked. The do side is simple. Maintain careful brushing, use proper flossing tools, and attend routine dental visits.
So the message is clear. Respect the wire, keep it clean, and listen to small signals from your teeth before they turn into bigger surprises.